And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, from old buildings to faulty electrical wiring and cramped spaces, the Chief Justice has painted a very grim picture of court infrastructure across the island, adding that more money is needed to fix the issues.
In an unprecedented move, Chief Justice Brian Sykes called a press conference on Monday to outline the issues. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
In October, clerk of courts at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court staged a sick-out after being sick and tired of poor working conditions. And in July, employees of the St. Catherine Parish Court withdrew their services. Among the issues, malfunctioning bathrooms, poor air quality, and pest infestation. On Monday, Chief Justice Brian Sykes outlined a list of issues at different courts in almost every parish. For example,
the wiring in the court buildings need overhauling. All our court buildings, the electrical wiring that is, because the court buildings are old, they are in need of significant repair, and the wires need replacing.
The ripple effect, they're unable to install new air conditioning units as the infrastructure cannot power the units. Old and dilapidated court infrastructure is nothing new. It was detailed in a report following an assessment by the 2007 Justice System Reform Task Force. The Vision 2030 document also acknowledged the problem. And so, Chief Justice Sykes is adamant that court infrastructure needs to be upgraded and redesigned to accommodate citizens, attorneys, workers, police personnel, and other stakeholders.
When you consider the requirements now regarding provision for differently abled persons, ramps, elevators, redesigning the entranceways into the courtrooms. Those are not maintenance questions. Those are fundamental design issues that require significant sums of money.
There's also talk about a possible public-private partnership where private investors would help fund new court buildings. Chief Justice Sykes asks, what if there's a breakdown of arrangements?
I've seen some documents that speak about the person who invested taking possession of the court. What does that mean? Does taking possession mean that the person says, oh, you haven't paid me for the last 2 months, I am now going to bar persons from using the building? Those are fundamental questions that need to be answered because there are access to justice issues, and what it potentially means is that a private citizen may have the power to obstruct the functioning of the judiciary. So whatever form the public-private sector partnership takes, it must guarantee that those things do not and cannot happen.
The Chief Justice is therefore insisting that the Justice Ministry and the Court Administrative Division will have to work together to decide how to move forward on the issues. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
Dramatic.